decided to leave the event early and we just went to tavern instead. So we're just gonna have few drinks here. Happy weekend! Hello. Let's walk around the neighborhood. Guess what? I have company today. I finally got this man to exercise. So I initially wanted to go to the gym today because I'm supposed to have a class later, but we just decided to walk around for a little bit. So we're just going around our neighborhood. We're walking. It's a bit cold and we had a snowstorm yesterday, so there's like snow everywhere. I love, it's breezy.
Katok tayo.
No, ano? Ay. Huh?
Katok tayo. Ay.
Hey guys, 1 mile. This is a very hard walk because some of the sidewalks are not shoveled yet. Look at my bodyguard. Hey guys, I just finished my evening class and it's currently 8:30. My back is attacking again. So like I'm really in pain at the moment. So I'm sorry that I forgot to update you when we got home, but we ended up walking for like an hour earlier and I forgot to update you. We went to Walgreens right after and I got myself a new gel polish. So I'm gonna try this and probably change my nail color for this week. I'm planning on doing French tip because I do have white. So I'm gonna try and use this one as my base. But that's when I get the time to do it. But I'm gonna sign off for tonight and I'll update you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, just got home. I did a huge grocery shopping and it is already 7. Today is a Wednesday and tomorrow's supposed to snow, so I did a huge grocery shop. I'm gonna show you what I got. I mean, like not a haul, but I'm gonna show you how much I bought from the grocery. Jay's on class today. It's pretty late, but I just got home right now and I'm by myself. So I'm gonna try and prepare our dinner tonight. I also don't have classes, but I do have class tomorrow. I'm just gonna fix up a little bit here and organize a little bit of my kitchen so I can start cooking. Yeah, so I just miss vlogging, so I thought that, you know, I should film. So, how's your day going, guys? I don't know about you, but I'm not excited for tomorrow. We just got a snowstorm on the weekend, and then whoever's working on our management already salted the parking garage. So I hope it's not gonna be that worse tomorrow because I have to go to work early. But it seems like the snow is gonna start midnight and it's gonna continue until 6 a.m. So let's see. So this is what I got. I do have random bags with me because I usually bring my own. Those three bags I carry it on my own since every time I go to the grocery, I go by myself. And it took me a little while to do my list because now I go by my list and I make sure that I stick to a budget and I list down all the recipes and menu of the week that we're gonna be cooking for dinner so that I keep it organized and I know what's on my fridge. So yeah. Today is Valentine's Day and we're just at home. We figure out that we're not gonna be going out today, but we'll probably postpone it to tomorrow. We both came from work, so we're both tired and we don't want to go back to Boston just to go out tonight. I'm cooking something for dinner and I just figured that I should film because there's going to be a lot of things that's going to happen in the next few days. Today is Friday, so I'm just so happy that it's weekend and I'm also going to have a long weekend for this week because I don't have to go to work on Monday. But yeah, I am planning to do a lot of things for this weekend break. So right now I am cooking pasta for dinner and Jay's actually in charge for the steak. So I just took a shower and since we're not going out tonight, I'm already wearing my pajamas and I just put on a little bit of tint on my lips just to feel the vibe. Um, I still have to do schoolwork tonight, but I'll probably do that later. We're hoping to chill. And guys, look what I came home to today. I have this from Jay. I'll probably put it in a vase later on. I also started cooking my pasta for now. I'll be cooking carbonara and it shouldn't take a while. Here's our steak and we're just trying them out before we cook it. I've been doing my nails and look, so far this is the best nails that I did on my own and it's been a few days since I have it on, so I'm actually planning on learning a lot of nail art and I actually just ordered some kits that I'll be using. I'll probably just try to learn like simple nail art like doing French tip and then using the gold foil one because that's the usual nail art that I would go for when I go to the nail salon. And also guys, I'll be doing my hair tomorrow, so that's why I took a shower but I actually didn't wash my hair since I figured that I'm gonna go to the salon tonight. I'm gonna go to the salon tomorrow. Hey guys, I finished my carbonara sauce. I'm mixing it with the pasta yet because we're still cooking our steak. Jay cooking his steak, and here's mine. I like mine well done. Here's our dinner for tonight. And then we have some steak here. Hi guys! Just want to give you an update. Today is Saturday, and as you can see, I got a new haircut. Do you guys like my new hair color? Finally cut my hair after a year. Yeah, I think it's almost a year. Jay's gift is actually a treat to the salon. So we went today and we just got home. And it's been a while since I did my hair. So I kind of like forgot how much it takes to like do your hair. I think I started around 12 and we finished around 6. It's also snowing today. Actually went to a ramen place, and I don't know, I just forgot to vlog. I just feel like I was so tired from like sitting all day, so I actually forgot to like film. But we went to Santuka to just get ramen since today is cold and it's snowing again, guys. I just feel like every weekend we get snowstorms. So now we're home, and I'm loving my hair, and it wasn't really still sinking in until now that I'm looking at it at the mirror. I mean, I used to have this hairstyle. I don't know. It's just so weird having it again. But I hope you think it's good. And my hair now is shorter. So I'm probably gonna be missing styling my hair. But yeah, I mean, it's not too short, but yeah. So good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Morning, guys. Hey guys, good morning. Oh my god, literally just woke up 10 minutes ago. If it weren't for my Pilates class, I wouldn't be awake right now. But I have a 8 o'clock class, so I'm getting ready to go. I'm I feel so cold. I don't have work today, but I have a couple of things that I have to do. But I wanted to start my day with a workout. So, I'll see you guys in a bit. Punta lang muna ako sa Pilates class. My car. Guys, my car is literally frozen. Guys, my car is literally frozen right now, and I'm already running late for class. Oh my god. I forgot to auto start my car. So I'm gonna wait a couple of minutes till all the ice melts down on my windshield before I start driving. It's so windy and cold today. Guys, ito na nga. Oh my god, I'm so late for class. So yon, late na nga tayo. Oh my god, my car is literally frozen and it won't even work. Like my wiper doesn't even work. I think it's still frozen from outside. So I'm just waiting, and I have to call the studio because I'm already late for the 8 o'clock class. And then we realized that I wasn't even on it. Oh my god, if I didn't call and just risk on going there late, I wouldn't make it to that class. But the good thing is I booked for the next hour class, which is the 9 to 10. But I was really hoping that I can finish working out early today so I can start with all my schoolworks early and go home early. But then by the time I get home, it's gonna be 10. So for now, I think I'm just gonna read some school works, and then so I can start right away when I get home. So yon ang chismis, guys. Oh my god. Sana gumising na lang ako ng maaga.
Lastly, a system downtime procedure for both scheduled and unscheduled downtime for user groups.
Hey guys, just finished my Pilates class finally, but it started to be a little windy, so I put on my beanie already. I'm about to go to the mall, but I'm just waiting for it to open because they usually open at 10. It's 9:58 right now, so it's gonna be right on time when I get there. I'm deciding whether to get coffee or should I just make it when I get home. But I just have to check something in the store because I need to get some jeans for when I travel for the next 2 weeks. So, yeah, I'm gonna update you guys and wish me luck. Hey guys, I'm finally home. So it's past 12. I'm about to make my brunch now and start my schoolworks right away. Before that, I was able to get few pants from the mall. Do I want to make a haul? I think I'll just show it to you on another vlog, but let's just go make our quick brunch and then I'll have to end this vlog now since I also have to edit this so I can catch up and upload. Also guys, I don't know where my ring went. Last night when we were sleeping, I woke up in the middle of the night and I noticed my phone fell under the bed. So I'm gonna go check it if I drop it there somewhere because I don't even realize and notice that it's been gone. Like I just realized it when I was paying at the mall. So if I lose it elsewhere, then I'm afraid I won't have the ring anymore. So I found it, guys. It's here.